Well, the S&P and the Dow touched intraday records. Now they're trading little change, slightly to the negative. But the FTSE over in the UK has been maintaining strong gains today. Our Oscar Williams-Grut is here to talk us through the action. Oscar.
Well, Julie, it's a fantastic start to the trading year here in London. The FTSE 100 was up as much as 3% earlier in the session today, settling back down to a gain of around 2.7%. Now, much of that is down to the rollout here in the UK of the University of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. The UK is the first in the world to approve and roll out beginning this morning. An 82-year-old man was the first to receive the vaccine. There's optimism around this particular vaccine because it is cheaper and easier to distribute than rivals such as notably the Pfizer vaccine, which of course has to be stored at these very cold temperatures. We're also seeing the FTSE 100 get a boost from UBS. UBS out with a note this morning saying they see as much as 8% upside for the FTSE 100 now that the uncertainty of Brexit has been resolved and a no-deal Brexit has been avoided. All of that's combining to see the FTSE 100 outperform continental rivals, which are up only just between 1% and 2%, the DAX, the CAC 40. But bear in mind, they rallied stronger in December than the FTSE 100. So to a certain extent, there is a degree of catch-up here. Even still, a great way to start the new year.
Oscar, let's talk about a little M&A this morning. It is a Monday after all. MGM apparently making an offer for the parent company of Ladbrokes, which is a gambling broker. Maybe U.S. fans, of the Premier League will have heard of it or not. Tell us a bit about this deal, and I guess maybe for our U.S. audience, kind of contextualize where Ladbrokes sits in the more mature gambling market in the U.K.
Well, Ladbrokes, which, as you say, is the main entity for Entain, which is the parent company. Ladbrokes is one of the biggest bookmakers here in the UK. They've got a big chain of high street shops that take bets in person and also a big online presence. Now, they received a takeover bid worth $11 billion from MGM Resorts. That was a 22% premium to their closing price on New Year's Eve. But even still, Ladbrokes say that this bid significantly undervalues the business. Now, this hasn't come out of nowhere. MGM is already partnered with Ladbrokes in the US betting market, and MGM is the latest US company to explore a deal, or in fact, reach a deal with a UK gambling firm as the market over there begins to open up. We, of course, have been doing this for decades and have a lot of expertise. Last year, you'll remember, Caesars Entertainment bought William Hill, another major bookmaker here in the UK, for $2.9 billion. Now, Ladbrokes haven't dismissed this completely out of hand. They said they want more information from MGM on the strategic rationale behind this deal and advise shareholders to take no action at this time. Shares in London in Entain, Ladbrokes' parent group, jumped 27% this morning on news of this takeover approach, suggesting that shareholders think we could see a bit more of a bid up in the offer price. So watch this space, Miles.
We will. Thanks so much, Oscar. Appreciate it, and Happy New Year to you.